From grocery pickup orders to Amazon deliveries, the snowstorm has left a backlog. So I went to find out what's running behind, what's back on track, and how you can put money back in your pocket if you're impacted. Amazon, USPS, FedEx, and UPS all warn customers about potential delays.
Weather is weather, and we're going to do what we can to get our customers what they ordered. But again, we're going to have to prioritize the safety of our employees and those people who are delivering the packages to you that we partner with.
So what can you do if your order is late? I asked Amazon spokesperson Richard Rocha what customers should do first.
Number one thing customers can do is make sure to check their app and check their accounts. There, they'll get live, up-to-the-minute updates about when to expect their delivery.
When weather alerts are issued, delivery guarantees are paused, meaning weather delays usually don't qualify for refunds. Once alerts are lifted, if your package is still late, then you can try to file for your money back. Wait 48 hours after the delivery date for Amazon, while UPS and FedEx give 15 days to request refunds. Rocha says patience is key as crews work through challenging conditions.
One thing that customers can do is to make sure that their driveways stay free of ice or free of snow. That's really important to help make sure that the drivers are able to stay safe.
The good news is a Kroger spokesperson tells me that their pickup and delivery services are completely restored across the tri-state. They've had crews working around the clock to get shelves fully restocked. Kroger customers in Newport were surprised by how quickly essential items returned.
I was so surprised. The stocks are all reshelved. The first thing I thought was they got these workers to work today. We needed food. We were basically out of stock in our house, so it was good to be back.
A Kroger spokesperson tells me they appreciate their customers' patience over the past few days as they've worked to get things restocked. And if you need to restock your pantry shelves, don't worry, I'll be back tomorrow with the best grocery deals across the tri-state as they go live tomorrow, so you don't waste your money.